present our project to supply leftover food to the poor using Salesforce. Together, we have built an application to connect venues with surplus food to drop-off points and volunteers. So, leftover food reaches those in need efficiently. The main goal of our project is to reduce food wastage and supply leftover food to the poor. By coordinating between venues, drop-off points, volunteers, and tasks, we have created custom Salesforce objects, fields, reports, dashboards, and sharing rules to track and manage this entire process. So, for our project, we need a computer with Windows 8 or higher, with two web browsers like Chrome and Firefox at least 30 Mbps internet connection. So, we started with creating an org. So, we filled in details like name, email, company, and role, etc. And then email sent by Salesforce. After setting a password and security question, we logged into our new developer org. And this is the org that I have created for the Food Connect. So firstly, we created the key custom objects required for our project. Those are venues, task, execution details, volunteers, and drop-off points. So for each object, we navigated to setup. To go to setup, click on gear icon, go to setup, click on object manager. To create a custom object, click on create and click on custom object. As I already created the custom objects like task, venue, drop off point, volunteer, and execution. Let us see the custom object of task. Execution detail, venue, volunteer, and similarly drop off point. So these are the custom objects that I have created. Next, we should create tabs. To create tabs, click on gear icon, go to setup. In quick find bar, search for tabs. Go to tabs. So after searching for tabs, we can see the tabs. To create a new tab, click on new, then we can create a new tabs. As I already created the tabs, those are drop off points, execution details, task, venues, and volunteers. So next, to create the lightning app. To create a lightning app, search for app manager in quick find. Go to app manager. We can create a new application using app manager with the help of new lightning app. By clicking new lightning app, we can create an app. So I have already created Food Connect app. The Food Connect app is shown like this. App name is Food Connect, developer name is auto populated, and I kept the image is Food Connect. Go back to the home page. Now the next step is to create the fields and relationships. Click on gear icon, click on setup, go to object manager. Now to create a fields and relationships, click on task, go to custom object. We can see the fields and relationships. Click on fields and relationship and click on new. Then we can create a fields and relationship in task. So as I have already created the fields and relationship, those are date, distance, drop off point, feedback, food category, name of the person, number of people served, owner, phone, rating, sponsored by, task ID, and task name. Likewise, I created fields and relationships for venue, volunteer, execution details, and drop off points. Click on menu, click on fields and relationships. These are the fields and relationship that I have created for the venue. And next, for volunteer, I have created fields and relationships. Those are address, age, available on, contact number, date of birth, drop off point, email, execution ID, gender, volunteer ID and volunteer name. Similarly, for drop off point, click on drop off point, go to fields and relationships, and these are the fields and relationships that I have created. Distance calculation, drop off point, location, owner, state, venue and venue location. And last, execution detail. Click on fields and relationships. And execution detail name, task, volunteer that I all created. The next step is to create flows. To create flows, click on gear icon, go to setup, search for flow in quick find bar. Click on flows. To create a new flow, click on new flow. I have created flow which is named as venue form. This is the flow that I have created. In that flow, we can see venue details, create venue record. These are the flows that I have created. In create venue record, we can see contact email, contact phone, location, latitude, venue name, venue location. And these are all about venues. Next, while going to trigger, to create a trigger, click on gear icon. We can see the option developer console here. Click on developer console. The new page is created. So this is the page to create a trigger. Click on new. In that we can see the Apex trigger. So in this Apex trigger we should write a code. So I have already written, which is with the name of drop off point. Click on drop off point. We can see the code for Apex trigger, which is drop off trigger. Next, to create profiles. To create a profile, go to gear icon, click on setup. Search for profiles in quick find bar. Go to profiles. So to create a profile, click on alphabet S, which stands for standard platform user. So we can clone it and we can create a with the name of profile name NGO's profile. So I have already created NGO's profile. This is the profile I have created. Next, to create a users. To create user, click on quick find bar and type for users. Click on users. So I already created Iksha Foundation, NSS and Street Cause. So next, to create public groups. Click on public groups. I have created the public groups with the name of Iksha, NSS and Street Cause. Next, to create report types. Search for report types in quick find bar. So this is the way that I have created. the name of view with drop off point. I have created view with drop off point report types. And next, to create reports, search for reports in quick find bar. So at app launcher, search for Food Connect. Which we have created with Lightning app. Next, click on reports. So this is the reports that I have created with the name of venue and drop off point and volunteer task. Next, click on dashboard. To create a dashboard, click on new dashboard, and there is a widgets we should create. So I have created with the name of task execution details. Next, we can create the sharing rules. So to create sharing rules, click on setup. Search for sharing settings. Click on sharing settings. So we can create by editing the sharing settings. Click on edit, then we can go for sharing rules. So these are the sharing settings. And the last step is to create home. So we can create the home. Go to app launcher. Search for Food Connect. So this is the home page for Food Connect that we have created. We can see the venues, task, drop-off points, execution details, volunteers, reports, and dashboards. This is the venue form that I have created, and these are the dashboard that I have created in dashboards with the help of widgets. So let us check how it works. First, refresh it. We can give a venue name, Loyal Function Hall. Phone number. Venue location is Kakinada. Latitude with and longitude. Click on next. So we can see the dashboard like this. And finally, I want to conclude my demo video with and conclusion. So the initiative to supply leftover food to the poor is not only a step toward reducing hunger, but also a meaningful way to combat food waste. By creating a sustainable system that collects, stores, and redistributes surplus food from events, restaurants, and households, we can make a real difference in the lives of those in need. This project reflects the power of community, empathy, and innovation working together to build a more equitable and compassionate society. Let us move forward with a shared responsibility to ensure that no one sleeps hungry while food goes to waste. Save food, save life. Thank you.